Hello, welcome to this tutorial, and today I'll be teaching you how to create a page using FlutterFlow. So already on the screen, this is an existing page that I created, I designed. Okay, so I'm going to put you through in case you do not know how to create a page on FlutterFlow. When you want to create a FlutterFlow account, and then you're able to come to this screen. Okay, you're able to, yes, after creating a project, you're able to come to this screen. From here, this is the icon you use to insert new page. You can see add page, components, or flow. Okay, so this other one is for new folders. In case you want to create a new folder down here, you can see there's a folder here named pages that contains the pages I create here. Okay, so let's go right away in doing that. Alright, so when you click on that create icon, this page come up, this pop-up shows, and you see some already existing templates you could use. Let's say you were looking for something related to these designs here. Alright, then you have suggestion here, already made design for authentication, content, lists, settings, e-commerce. Okay, then you can also create a component here. So you have to check in my next video what components are, but I'll still give you an insight here. Components are reusable elements in our application. Okay, elements that you create, you design, then you can use them all over your application wherever you want to use them. Alright, they are reusable. You store them, you keep them, so you can use them continuously across the application. So let's create a page. You can also generate with AI. Alright, generating with AI, you just have to click and then you describe the kind of page you want to create. Okay, so you just tell AI the kind of page you want to create. Say I want to create a profile page. Yes, with settings, something like that. Okay, generate page, click on generate page, this icon here. So why is it not showing? AI generate history. Okay, profile page settings is generating right here from this menu here. You know, before I believe the FlutterFlow has been updated before. It doesn't show like this, so that was why I was a bit astonished. Okay, so let's see, it's generating the page. So while that page is generating, to create your page manually, okay, yeah, let me check my internet connection. Okay, so no, to create your page manually, you come to create blank. Alright, if you are picking a template for authentication, you come to authentication, sign up. If you're picking for contents, then of course it will show here for listing, settings, e-commerce. But we want to create a manual. We want to create it manually. Okay, let's say my first page. So you note that there is no space in between the names of the page. Okay, I mistakenly turn on my cap locks. So my first page, this create page, you can put the description if necessary. Right, I need to put this in mobile, and then I need to increase the size so you can see it. So this is it. This is your first page you've created on FlutterFlow, and then on the right side is the property bar. Okay, the property bar, so you can see the background of your page. You can play with that, navigate and change it to, let's say, secondary, or okay, this is at the background, this is secondary background, this is the primary background, right? And yeah, you can just change it to anything you want. Let's say you want to just put entirely another color. Okay, so this is how you navigate through it. Alright, so So let's just keep it this way, or let's just make it the white it was before. Okay, so taking it to this edge will give you an absolute white color. Then this is the navbar that comes by default. You can choose to delete it, then create your custom app bar. Yeah, so this is where you change the background color for the app bar too. So you want to use green or kind of purple, okay, something like this. So, and you want to change the title, let's say, or let's just get rid of this. Then let's insert some elements in our page. Okay, so this is the scaffold, this is your page here, and there's a column inside by default, so you can insert an element if you want to. You can insert a container, then you can make it expandable across the application. Yeah, then you can insert a row. Let's put a row inside. Okay, why is it not expanding to? Let me wrap this also inside. All right, so okay, now we have to wrap this inside a container, the parent container. Right, then we set the width to infinity, and the height, I like it to be in percent. That's 100%. You click on the percent before you insert the value. So we move on. We have inserted a container in here, and then a row. So inside the row we can insert a text. Alright, then we write here welcome. Welcome. Then we play with the property. You can increase the font size, let's say 40. Welcome. Okay, all right, so the text is inside the row. We need to bring the text to the middle like this, so we say welcome, and then we can change the color. Yes, the text color, you can change it to something you want, whatever you want. Then you click on this like this. Yeah, you can make it bold, bigger. You can make it bold. Let's make it extra bold. You can make it bigger. So this is 60. All right, welcome. Okay. So if there are much text inside the text widget, then you can choose the alignment you want. Okay, to the text to adjust to. You can choose it here. You can set the max line of text, that's the text width. All right, so this is basically how you insert your page and how you walk through your page. All right, so for the navbar, you can equally edit it. You can equally edit the navbar. Let's add one. Yes. All right, for the navbar, you can edit it here. You can see the about height, say 200. You can see it's bigger. It's not beautiful. Let's, you can say 150. Anyhow you want to just edit your navbar, you can always edit it. Okay, let's say 100. Maybe you want to include some scrollable elements here, or the titles and so on. However you want to do it, you can just adjust it here on the navigation or properties bar. All right, so our page is ready and it's good. Then let's check out this. Okay, yes, now the AI has generated a page for us. Yo, this is the page we generate. So this is how to generate a page with AI. Okay, so you see Sarah, and there's this account setting, a base profile, and so on. You can insert it. Yeah, so if I click on insert, yes, I can call it profile. profile page. You use profile, so create a profile page with settings. Alright, so this is the description I was telling you about. Then you create page. You can choose to rate and so on. You didn't allow me rates as much as possible, so yeah, we need to go to the page selector instead. Yeah, so you can see your page here. So you drag them into this folder, drag this one into this folder, and you're good to go. Yep, you're good to go. Your page is ready, and the prompt we gave has, given us what we want, and that's fine. Thanks for watching this video, and I believe that you learned from it. And if it was helpful, please drop a thumb up on this channel, and also watch out for our upcoming videos, okay? Because we're going to be dropping interesting topics, and tell us what you would like us to create videos on, all right? So we can remain valuable and relevant to you. Thank you.